In a universe parallel to our own, where the boundaries between hope and darkness blur, there exists a being whose very presence challenges everything we know about heroes. I'm here to tell you about Kryptor, a name that sends shivers through the multiverse. Imagine Krypton, not as we know it from Superman's story, but a darker version, where scientific ambition pushed beyond ethical limits. In their relentless pursuit of creating the perfect being, Kryptonian scientists conducted experiments that would forever alter the fabric of their reality. One experiment, particularly ambitious and dangerous, went terribly wrong. From the chaos of that failed attempt emerged Kryptor, not a hero, but a twisted reflection of everything Superman represents. While Superman was carefully placed in a pod and sent to Earth with love and hope, Kryptor was born from desperation and hubris. Think about it. For every light, there must be shadow. For every Superman saving the day, somewhere in the multiverse, there's a Kryptor whose very existence questions the nature of power and responsibility. He possesses abilities similar to Superman's, but without the moral compass that makes the Man of Steel a beacon of hope. What makes Kryptor truly fascinating is how he represents the dark. What if of Superman's story? What if instead of being raised by loving parents in Kansas, a Kryptonian was shaped by the cold calculations of failed science? What if instead of learning to protect, they learned only to survive? The tragedy of Kryptor lies not just in his origin, but in the potential that was corrupted. In many ways, he serves as a warning, a reminder that great power, without guidance and compassion, can lead down a path of destruction. As we reflect on Kryptor's existence, we're forced to confront uncomfortable questions about destiny, choice, and the thin line between hero and villain. In the end, perhaps Kryptor's greatest purpose is to remind us why we need heroes like Superman, not just for their power, but for their humanity.